Today we'll talk about how can you turn on notifications on to go up. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on me down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to notifications list here. Then you come to push notifications, click in this sign. Then like you say, you click here on OK. So you go to settings. So that and you come here to show notifications, click in this sign. That like you see when this color show for us, that's mean it's turned on with us now here. Like you say, notifications turned on with us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.